The following simple emergency message is being transmitted at the request of the Chicago Office of Emergency Management and Communications for the City of Chicago, Illinois. Effective until further notice. The Union Station for Amtrak trains has reported that they have received an anonymous threat to the safety of civilians riding their trains. These trains will not be shut down, but it is recommended to take precautions or avoid using trains altogether. The Chicago Police Department will have an increased presence in and around the Union Station for your safety. Do not interfere with law enforcement, as you could put lives in danger. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following shelter-in-place warning message is being transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. At about 2:57 p.m., there have been multiple reports of confirmed gunfire from a group of armored men at the Union Station. These men are armed with fully automatic rifles and are considered extremely dangerous. The intentions and origins of these men are currently unknown. It has been confirmed that there are several deaths and injuries at the Union Station. Some of these men have been shot and killed by law enforcement. However, multiple more has been seen boarding a train. This train has left the station, and is likely that everyone on the train is being held hostage. Due to this extremely dangerous situation, the Union Station and all other stations connected with Amtrak are being evacuated immediately. Do not board any.
This is a national emergency. Please stand by. The following emergency action notification message is being transmitted at the request of the White House to participate in the National Emergency Alert System. All broadcast and cable systems will transmit this national message. Most cellular devices will receive an emergency alert message. This broadcast is serving the Chicago City area. If you are not in this area, tune to a station serving your area. This station is serving the Chicago City area. Stand by for an emergency action notification message. This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means that an attack against the United States is imminent or is currently taking place. There have been reports of confirmed terrorist attacks across the United States. These attacks have been focused against major train stations and high population areas. There have been massive casualties against civilians and law enforcement. These terrorists are using high-powered automatic assault rifles as well as improvised explosive devices. Some of these terrorists are also strapped with explosive vests. Do not attempt to fight or come into sight of these terrorists. The National Guard is being deployed to all major train stations, possible future targets of terrorist attacks, and high population areas. Everyone in the United States should seek shelter immediately and should avoid coming into contact with the outside world. Major highways, all airports, and train stations are to be shut down until further notice. Travel between countries and states is banned until further notice. Do not pick up family members from hospitals or schools. These places have their procedures for this situation. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This is a national statement. Please stand by. The following message contains a message from the government pertaining to the terrorist attacks against major train stations yesterday. The origins of these terrorists can't yet be confirmed. The government is investigating this group and will dismantle it as soon as possible. It is clear that this terror group intends to cause as much destruction and take as many lives as possible. Law enforcement will be on high alert until this group is dismantled. Travel between states can now continue, however, travel between countries will be banned until further notice. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.